Myself Manasa. I'm from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So basically, I'm a BCom graduate from IGNO. I have completed my CA Inter and I am a qualified ICWAI. And recently, I have passed my CPA US. So looking forward to work in big companies. So it was the time during COVID. I was in oscillation to either continue CA Inter with 3 years articleship and do CA final, or do something else that was equivalent to CA and get that prestige and value as a CA gets without actually doing CA and in a shorter period of time. So I was looking for a course at that time. So I got to know about the CPA US, and we all know it is globally recognized and what value it has got, and we can do it within a period of 12 to 18 months. So it was a big opportunity for me. And also, it was conducted in our own country. So it was very affordable, and it was a great opportunity for me. So I thought, okay, let me just do this. The first tip I would give is to have a study plan along with the chapters and the targeted date. So I maintained the Excel sheet. And I used to note down the performance percentage after completing each chapter's MCQs and sims. This helped me to analyze where I went wrong and which chapter I need to concentrate more. Then, second tip I would give is to use the Miles faculties because they were very supportive and helpful throughout my journey. Booking a mentoring session and having their advice and feedback was very helpful for me to crack the exams. And my third tip would be to analyze mock MCQs since whatever you do, and we must do all the MCQs since that are given in the miles because we must be thorough before we go for the examination. And there is a practice test that is given in the miles LMS. They were really happy. They called their families, relatives, their neighbors. They said, "My girl has done it. My girl is a CPA now." So they were really happy. They shared the sweets. So it was so happy to see them do that. I really felt proud that okay, I have made my finally have made my parents very proud. CPA matlab miles.